right, fellow travelers and riders, it's time for the Zephyr. It's just about dusk. I was hoping they were going to turn the lights on. Maybe we'll get lucky while we're on it. It's right through here. It's one of these old style. You're just in the metal chains. They got the wicker basket you sit in. It's not real big. It picks you up, you know, and tilts you around and round and down and all that good stuff. We enjoy them, so there's a couple more rides out there on the channel, so check those out. By comparison, there is another Zephyr, I don't know if it's identical. I feel like the other one was bigger than this.
I feel like, yeah, maybe a little bit taller.
Yeah, taller and bigger, but we'll reserve judgment. We'll see how fast she moves, and we'll join you. Point of view here. Okay. Pick your poison. Pick your chair. You're going in blue? All right, I'll go in this aquamarine. Oh boy. Oh, can I fit? Yeah. I think I can fit. Boom, we're in. Now these seats are deceptive because if you lean one side or the other, it actually rocks you pretty good.
Yeah.
It's just on the chains, you know, so it's kind of old school. You can kind of, oh no, are we calling for some help over here? What was happening? Oh, I'm not supposed to touch your seat. I'm facing in this direction for some reason. So what's up with Copperhead over there? That's Copperhead Strike. It's a launch coaster, double launch coaster really. Several inversions. They're waiting in line up there, I can see. Getting a little bit close to dusk.
Are you supposed to lean back in?
Oh, I wouldn't lean backwards, forwards, or side to side in this. I'd just kind of try not to fall out. Oh, everything is metal. There's nothing overly comfy about this. I mean, you'd have to be a small child to fit in this seat. It is just tiny, so. And it's a metal basket, and you're locked in it. Okay, so they're doing some test runs over there. Boy, it really stalls you out on the loops. Just slows you right down on the way on. And we got a double ride on that first thing this morning. It was back to back. There's no one in the station for the second ride, and they just took us for 2 spins, and that was pretty intense. I thought back to back. The first ride it was over pretty fast, but yeah, the one guy said he rides it every Saturday that I rode with up front. Yeah, he's a season pass holder. He rides that particular ride every Saturday. It's his favorite coaster, he says. So they all know him. So he was going to be the first in line with his fast pass. But either way, we still got the famed double ride.
To secure all loose and valuable items.
So the water park is beyond us over there. We haven't hit that one yet, but we might pop our nose or toes in the water park tomorrow. We'll see what definitely get our toes in. Might try to do a slide, and I don't know. We'll see. Maybe we'll get in the wave pool. And, oh, I thought he had already been by to check.
Facing forward with your back against the seat.
Pretty sure he's already checked us.
Hold on until the ride comes to a complete stop.
Yeah.
Twisting your chair
Don't
or
twist.
holding onto or kicking the chair in
No
front
kicking.
of you are not permitted. Failure to comply.
No holding chairs.
All clear.
Well, we're all clear. That's the end of the message.
Thank you. Zephyr
You're welcome.
On Please clear the area.
You are welcome, everybody.
Zephyr is operating.
Oh, they got the people on there now. Now they're running. Oh, see how it stalls you upside down just like that? It's a great one. It is a good fast-paced one. Oh, we're up in the air, Becky. Oh my gosh. Oh no, this is a bobber and a weaver. It's a stomach dropper. Okay. Yeah. Uh-huh. Oh man, those baskets are swinging. You might take a little hit here. So far it's kind of relaxing. See a little bit of the water park. Aeronautica Land. Off in the distance. Uh-huh. There's Blue Ridge Country Kitchen down over there. Funnel cakes. Woo! It's kind of whistles as it goes. It's got like a little whistle sound. Uh-huh. Round and round she goes. They got the drop tower over there. Haven't been on the drop tower. I'll probably try to do that tomorrow. And oh boy, is that all she wrote on this one? I gotta say, this sucker was tame compared to the other Zephyr that we were on.
Just got me in the knee.
You're getting bashed. Becky's getting beat up by the seats. You got really close to me there. Oh man, you actually did hit me in the knee right there. Wow, you gotta. Wow, wow, close. Close. Jeez, this thing is dangerous. I gotta push you away here. Like, what are you doing? Swinging?
Please don't forget any of your loose items.
Slamming into everybody.
And enjoy the rest of your day at Carowinds, where the Carowinds
Alright.
come together.
Oh, can I get out?
I barely could.
Woo! I'm glad I wasn't stuck in that seat longer than 2 minutes. All right, that's Zephyr. What'd you think of this Zephyr?
Yeah, it was a fun ride. I like the kind of like bouncing element it had to it.
Yeah, it started, I wasn't sure how rough it was going to be. It kind of bobs you up and down a little bit.
Yeah.
We've been on another Zephyr, though, that really spins it really good and that kind of like dips you down as it swings.
Right.
And then I feel like it went on for a couple, 3 minutes. This is a really short ride.
Might have had more speed too. So.
I definitely think the other one was bigger and faster to boot. This one, really, the cars get real close to each other at the end. I kind of took a little knee impact. Not bad, I'm fine.
Yeah.
But it's steel seats and the baskets are not very comfortable, so you definitely wouldn't want to be on a long ride on that anyway. So all in all, it's a fun little swing ride. If you got the kids and the fam or whatever, the kiddos, throw them right on that thing. That they'll have a great time because they can fit in the seat. It probably won't be nearly as uncomfortable when you're a full-size adult. Some of the stuff, it's a little bit of a snug fit, but all in all, it's still a great little swing ride. And thanks for joining us. Thanks for subscribing. Thank you to all our new subscribers. We recognize and see you out there. Leave us a comment if you're new. We'd love to hear from you. And let us know what kind of videos you like on the channel, and we can try to do some more of those. So we did do a food review buffet today, so that'll be out there at some point. And it's great to do it. So let us know if you enjoy them as much as we enjoy doing them. So thanks for watching again, and we'll see you all very soon. Bye, everybody.